Now we were talking about the assignment 20. So it's a case study. And I will remind you that because last week we will have a test, right, in class, in the 8 o'clock. So the deadline will become the day before our exam. So I remind you, so I do not accept because always have the students forget the deadline. So actually I will remind the students if we have a exam that day, so the deadline will just before the day before our exam day. Okay, so please. So I will let you know the details. So this is modular. So actually we will have two files. Main C is responsible for the random C methods. We will select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, just 1, 2, 3, 4. Call the corresponding method of printing. Then the user select 1 is lowercase, the second is uppercase, and 3 is digital. Okay, and 0 is end. So select statements here. Random C, random rows later. Okay, and lowercase, uppercase, digit. And we will print randomly produced 175 letters and 25 letters verb. Means we will change the line. And for methods, uppercase, lowercase, digit, and ASCII. So for example, just like this. Yeah, this is our example. So we have a main C. It's a random character, so you have to change as a random C, okay? Okay, we will create a new one. It's a main C. Okay, we save it as a main C. Yeah. Main C. Okay, it's my file. Okay, at first, we will ask the users to, okay, so maybe we want it to input. Okay, it's maybe the main function, and we want the user to input. The style have to be like this. Yeah. First, lower case and change line. Right? Lowercase and lowercase. Plus. It's a continuous. Remember when we use the date, birthday case. Okay, and backslash, then and plus. Yeah, upper, and the third is digit. Can do that. We just want the user to see that every choose can be change line, and it will be more beautiful. Or yeah, ASCII. So the first is lore. Okay. Plus the continuous symbol here, and the lattice 1, 0. 0 means end, the end. Okay, and change line, maybe. Okay, we will make sure whether it is correct to show. So we'll use the paragraph annotation. right? No, we didn't see anything because we forget to all that. Yeah, right. Go. So you will have the please input. Please input. Okay, so maybe we can input something. Okay, so when we input something, we will call the one. Okay, so this is the very interesting. When we call if a equals 1, then we will call the random C, right? This is a random C, so we will change the name as a random C. Random C. Yeah, that's what we need. It's random C, so we will call it random C, right? So this have to be, we have to do that from random C. It have to be totally the same, okay? And import, we have to import a lot of things, right? Because each function we have to import. Yeah, everyone we have to import here, and then is upper. Oh, sorry. Upper and lower, and just copy digit and ASCII. Okay, digit and ASCII. Digit and ASCII. So the order here is not really important, but what is really important? This one. So when I press the 1, right? When the equal 1, then we will print, because it will return, right? We will print this upper, lower. We will print lower. The function that have to be entirely the same. We call the lower, and the lower will call the function, and you will print. Okay, so we just try 1. Okay, we call the lower, and this part will also clean it because we don't need it anymore. Okay, this is our main C. We save it and try to print it, and make sure whether it is connect lower. Oh, function lower. Cannot find function lower. Print the function lower. Yeah, it's a function. Sorry. Okay. Then we'll find the T, right? And it's none. Oh, it's a problem because we print it. So it just have to be returned. Yes. Yes. Because it's no longer printed directly. So it's a different thing. Return. We make the print things in our main C. So we don't have to print here. Return, save it, and we try to do that one more time. 1, we just get the W, right? W. And actually we want to have the 100, so we need a 4 range. Yeah, we want from, yeah, just like this. Yeah, we will print it and we will continue, right? With the space, just the spaces. And we have to check because we make it from 1 to 176. So when the number if I divide it 25, because we want 25, right? Line 0. Oh, just without spaces. I see this is better, and we print it. Otherwise, we just else, right? We just print it without the end. Continue. So without it, will just change the line. So this is, yeah, get this column, right? 1. Yeah, it's not what I want. Oh, it's a very serious problem. From here, we will lower, print lower. So what's wrong? Not equal 0, sorry. Not equal 0. Yeah. Yeah, that's what we want. Is the lower, right? And we also need others. So we have to do that, the other part. If we get 2, then we will call the upper, right? Call the upper. And when it is 3, we will call the digit. Digit. It's 3. It's 4. And then we will call it ASCII. ASCII. Okay, go. So if we call that upper, and then next time we call the digit, and we call that ASCII. Oh, see, it's very interesting because we will have some spaces here, right? You can see this is all the spaces because sometimes it's interesting. Sometimes you find it's spaces. Yeah. And 0 is the end, right? So we will make it. Oh, I want to make sure whether the select statement here. Corresponding. So user will select. So maybe it's a while, right? It's a while. So we ask that first time. Yeah. And we will ask while. Sorry. It should be in the main C. Yeah. So we ask the first time outside the while. Right? You ask the first time, and then you put the function while a not equal 0. Then we're doing the following things again and again and again. Right? Is that correct? Yes. Right? Every time until 0. Let's go. 1, 2. Oh, I pressed the 1, but it asked me again. It's weird. Yeah. I do it again and it tell me why it's not 0. Okay. I know what to do. First, we will let at least to 1. So I give the a number. Yeah, at least it will do at once. Yeah, at once, right? Put 1, yeah, and put 2 and 3 and 4 and 0 and yes. So we want you do the exercise, right? It's 2 functions, so you can do it. So I will just revise it. Yeah, and use a select as a while loop. Until the user prays 0. Yeah, this is our assignment. Yeah, it's your turn. I have already demonstrated